Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought it would be fun to share with you all of the Halloween decorations that I've collected over the last few weeks. Because I personally think I scored some really darling things. But before we get started, I wanted to tell you guys thank you for all the love on my last video. That was like a last minute throw up the camera and see what I could do video, even though the wind was blowing and it was getting dark. I really appreciated that. If you're new here, my name is Crystal, and I love to share home decor stuff, and just honestly, I like to just share whatever I'm feeling right at the moment, but mostly home decor because I do love that. I'm just in a very busy season of life with my children and having a full-time job, because YouTube, as much as I would love it to be, it's not my full-time job. But anyway, without further ado, let's check out some cute holiday stuff. All right, Ainsley and I just got back from Walmart, and I wanted to share, this isn't really Halloween related, but it's too good not to share. And if I can find any of these products or items, I will have them linked in the description box for you if you want to check them out too. But we went to Walmart really quick to grab something for dinner, and I saw this candle. I mean, can we say like anthropology vibes all the way? It is so beautiful. But what I love the most is this tag. You can peel it right off, so you have no more tag. And the smell is quite lovely. It is vanilla pumpkin, of course. But I just thought this was so beautiful. They have a red one that would be perfect for Christmas. I didn't love the smell of that one as much, but this, I mean, $13. I think an anthropology candle is $40. Can't beat it. So I just thought I would share that with you really quick. Next is, all of these things are from Target except for one thing, but you can get the one thing at Target, but I found it on Amazon for cheaper. So the first thing, this is kind of what inspired this haul, because I think everybody needs this guy. He is so cute. Can you even see what he is? So he's a little skeleton, he's an LED light, and he's like waving at you. You guys, this is the cutest thing ever. I don't care who you are, what you say, I just adore him. I wanted him last year, but they were sold out everywhere. But I got mine in store this year, and if you see him, I promise you he'll make your day. I promise you. And there's kind of like a theme going on here, but not like by any, I wasn't consciously thinking of this when I bought these things, but I must be into skeletons and skulls, because I got this little skull, and he's got an open head, so you could use him for candy. But what I thought would be really cute is a little like beautiful fall arrangement in it. So if I get around to doing that, I'll share it with you. But I just think he's cute, and I think he was $10, maybe $15, I'm not sure, but quite large, and I think I like it. I don't like scary, spooky Halloween. If you've been here for a while, you know that. But I don't also like over-the-top cutesy either. I kind of just do a few things here and there just to celebrate the season, but not cheesy in my opinion. So if you do that, you do that, girl. You do you, boo. It's just, for me, I prefer to like just little touches here and there. And then I got this guy. I just loved the shape of this platter. I thought this would be really fun. I did share last year a charcuterie board on a cute little plate, and I'm planning to do that again this year. So I mean, he's cute. I also think this would be really cute stood up like as a backdrop against like my cutting boards, that just add a little touch of Halloween in the kitchen. And then you get more than one use out of it, which I love that. And then I picked up this pillow, and now I'm regretting not picking up two of these. But it's just a cute back pillow. It's a lumbar pillow. And I thought I would put this out on my front porch because it's really, really cute. And one more pillow. This one, it says "Hey Boo," and I think it's really cute and festive, but not like scream crazy Halloween, you know? The back side is kind of like a black corduroy. And I have some pillows that I bought last year from Amazon that I think that these two are gonna pair really nicely with. So excited about those. One thing that I'm really excited about is this, this blanket, which my dog chewed the wrapper off of it, so it's out, but it's just this boo. It just says boo all over it. And I think this would be really cute draped on my couch with the Halloween pillows. And then maybe like that's all I do in the living room, or I do it on my porch. But I just think it's really cute. It's really soft too. And I think it was like only $10. So if you just want to buy it for cuddling up with for Halloween season, it's absolutely adorable. It's absolutely adorable. Love it. And then let's see. Another thing from Target is I've seen these going around. They're just these little glass pumpkins from the dollar spot, the $5 spot. So it's $5. But I think I'm going to just put some candy or something in here for my island. I'm not sure yet, but this could be used for fall and Halloween. But I just wanted to share it with you because it's really fun. So if you see one, you should pick one up. And then last but not least, I had this image saved from several years ago of these giant spiders on your house for Halloween. I don't know, I just think it was so cute and festive. And now that I have like a white house where they kind of, well, my house isn't white, my house is gray, but it's a light color that I think that these big spiders are going to pop. So they're kind of creepy looking, but they're just these, I don't even know what size this one is. The pack that I bought came with 3 different sizes. So I think the biggest one was 60 inches. So this probably isn't the biggest one, but I'm just going to place these around my house outside, probably just like around my porch area. And I cannot wait. I think they're cute. They're not crazy over the top. And I've just been dying to do this. Now, they do have these at Target, but I found a pack of 3 for $23 on Amazon, and they shipped super quick, so I got them rather fast. And then at Target, I think they're $10 starting with the smallest one, and then they go up from there. So I don't know the quality versus them, but I'm fine with these. I think they're cute, and they're gonna serve, you know, you're not really gonna see like the face because they're gonna be on the house kind of like this, you know? So anyway, I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek at what I'm working on for Halloween. I'm still just moving along with fall the way it is in my house. I'm just not really feeling it. And I think it's also because it hasn't felt like fall here, which is weird. It's been extremely hot. We are usually freezing by now, and the first couple weeks of October we usually see snow, and we haven't, I mean, we've had a few cold days but not very many, so I haven't just been in the fall spirit. Like the leaves on the trees haven't even started changing yet, which is crazy. But I remember in the springtime, like the flowers took forever to bloom, so maybe we're just having a weird year weather-wise. But anyway, I hope you guys are all doing well and enjoying your fall. We spend a lot of times at football games, so that's how we enjoy fall around here, which I love and the kids love. So I just wanted to pop in and say hi, and I hope you guys are doing well, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.